Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm making spaghetti with lemon, ricotta and Parma ham. This is a nice quick pasta dish to put together, but it's also very light and fresh. Okay, so I've got 3 slices of Parma ham here. Now I'm going to use one slice to make a crisp just to go on top of the pasta at the end, and the other 2 slices I'm just going to tear up. We're just going to fold that through the pasta. So for the crisp, what to do is take one of your slices of Parma ham and just put it onto a tray with some greaseproof paper. Then just put another sheet of greaseproof paper on top, another tray on top of that. Then what we'll do is we'll bake this in the oven for about 10 minutes, 10 or 12 minutes at 220 degrees. And the other 2 slices we're just going to tear up with our hands. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to make up our ricotta cheese mix. So if you go in first with 100 grams of ricotta cheese, then to that we're going to add the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, some flat parsley, we're also going to add some salt and pepper to this as well. Now just give that a good mix up. This is basically going to get folded through the pasta at the end once it's cooked. Okay, so once that's mixed up, you can just leave this to the side and we'll get on to the next stage. Okay, so our Parma ham crisp has been in the oven for about 12 minutes, so we're just going to check that. Yep, that's gone nice and crispy. So what we'll do is we'll just leave this to the side to cool down, then we'll go on to the next stage. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to cook the pasta. Now I'm using fresh egg spaghetti for this. I've got about 125 grams here of fresh egg spaghetti. I'm just going to cook that in some salty boiling water for about 5 minutes. So just in first with some salt. And this will take about 5 minutes to cook. Okay, so while we're waiting for the pasta to cook, we're just going to get another pan on and we're just going to gently fry some garlic and some olive oil. So just go in with some olive oil. And I've got 2 cloves of garlic here. We're just going to gently fry this. Okay, so the pasta's cooked. So just before we strain the pasta, I'm just going to take out a wee ladle of some of the water. And we're going to use this just to help loosen up the sauce. Not much, just a little bit. And we'll just turn that off and we'll just drain that pasta. Then what we'll do is we'll go into put that into the pan with the garlic. Give that a good mix up. Okay, and now we'll go in with about 2/3 of the ricotta mix, and we'll just keep a little bit just to go on top at the end. So give that a good mix in. also go in with just some of the pasta water. This is just going to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, and now we're just ready to plate this up. I'm just going to finish this off with some Pecorino cheese. If you don't have Pecorino, or you can't get Pecorino, you can use Parmesan as well instead. And I'm also just going to go on top with the rest of the ricotta mix that we kept. And just the Parma ham crisp, just to finish that off. Thanks everyone for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me the thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll look forward to seeing you all again soon.